We've been hiking for about 1 hour from our campsite, and we have about 13 or 1400 feet of elevation to go. The dome is coming up in sight. I can see it peeking behind these trees. It's 11 a.m. and there's not many clouds in the sky today. We're about to be extremely exposed to the sun here in a couple minutes. We are also going to be exposed to some sick ass views as well. Your hands.
Oh my god, you do that.
Gangsta.
We hike Half Dome while backpacking 3 days in the Yosemite wilderness. Go ahead and check that video out if you haven't already. Half Dome requires a permit when cables are up. Certain trailheads are eligible for Half Dome permits when backpacking. Only 300 permits are issued per day for Half Dome. 75 for backpackers, the remaining are for a pre-lottery, usually beginning in March. There's also a daily lottery where you can apply for a Half Dome permit 2 days prior to your desired date. This permit system can get confusing. I left a link in the description for more information on how to get a permit to hike Half Dome. From our campsite in Little Yosemite Valley, the hike to Half Dome was about 4 miles with 2,700 feet of elevation gain one way. If you're doing Half Dome as a day hike, you're looking at around 15 miles and 4,800 feet of elevation gain. Permits are checked at the base of Half Dome. Some tips for hiking Half Dome. Gloves may help. I wore gloves. Emily didn't wear gloves. She was fine. Shoes with good grip are essential. You definitely don't want to slip on your way down. Secure your water bottles on the outside of your backpack. We saw 2 of them tumble down when we were ascending the ropes. If you are a strong hiker, you need to mentally prepare yourself to be patient. There's gonna be someone slower than you, and you're only as fast as the slowest person on the cables. Even with the permit system in effect, this hike on the cable section will take a lot of patience. Plan on bringing up what's on your back. The ranger down at Subdome is not gonna watch your backpack. Try not to get caught in rain or storms while on the cables or on the summit. The granite can get extremely slick when wet. To me, Half Dome was a bucket list hike, but I do not see myself hiking Half Dome again unless it's for a sunrise or when the cables are down. Mainly because I thought the cable section was extremely stressful with the amount of people that were hiking it when we did. The views at the top were amazing though. The sheer drop-offs were terrifying. Have you hiked Half Dome? Plan on hiking Half Dome? Leave a comment below. Would love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Spates. Hope to see you on the next hike.